that any problem for you?
Oh, no problem. Right.
Okay.
So what is the first concept to static properties and non-static properties? Static means common.
1 second. Yeah. Okay.
Static means
Yes. Sorry.
common. So for
Uh-huh.
example, I'm taking one boy class. All the boys having some common properties. That properties is called static properties. All the boys having
Okay.
some common properties. That properties is called static properties. So for
Okay.
example, I'm taking static properties, number of hands and number of legs. Number of hands and number
Yeah.
of legs. So number of,
Okay.
whenever you are writing properties, we should use data type. We should use data type.
That's
So
fair.
yes,
Mm-hmm.
I will show you by class. For example, I am taking one by class. So here by class, I am taking number of hands and number of legs. So both are static. That's the reason public static int. Already I told you. So byte,
Yeah.
short, int, long. These four data types are used for store the integer values or in numeric values like number of hands, number of legs, number of fans, number of systems, number of computers, number of buses, number of states, number of countries. If you want to store any number, that time we will use this integer. So
Yeah.
public static int number of hands, public static int number of legs. So next name and color, public string name. So this is the name is a string group of characters. So we are using name. So name is a string, and here I am not mentioning anything. Why? Because it is non-static. So name
Okay.
and color is a non-static. These are the properties only for general knowledge. Next, I'm writing
Okay.
functions. Public static void A. A, here I'm writing static function A. So public static, that function is static. That's the reason static. Void, I'm writing void A. System.out.println something A.
Okay.
So A is a static. Public static void B. B is also static. Next, C, I'm writing here non-static function. C is a non-static function. And
Okay.
D also non-static function. AB static.
Okay.
So if it is AB static, directly we can write in the main method. Why? Because it is a static. So CD directly I can't write it. Directly I can't write it. Whenever I am writing directly C, it will show error. It will show error. Why it will show error? It is a non-static. It is a non-static. So if it is non-static, if I write C directly, so automatically it will show error. Why? Because it is a non-static. If it is non-static, what we need to do?
Okay.
We need to create the object. How to create the object? Class name, reference name equal to new class name. Class name is boy. Reference name B1 equal to new boy. So B1.C and B1.D. So if it is static, directly we can write in the main method. If it is non-static, we need to create the object. Only that thing we learned in static properties and non-static properties.
Okay.
That is the first concept is over. See. Next, what is the next concept? Inheritance already you wrote. Okay. Inheritance is over. Next, overloading. Overloading. Over here I'm
Oh, we
taking
finished overloading also?
overloading. We learned only
Okay. Okay.
overloading are over or not? Over, I think.
I I don't know.
What is the last concept?
No. Inheritance only, right?
Inheritance only.
Yeah. No?
I
1 second.
think. Wait. I will check out.
And even till date, you didn't tell me about SAP HCM.
Today I will tell you, madam. No problem.
Correct.
Just Brunda, madam. Brunda, third class,
Yeah.
overriding object class, string class. Madam,
Yeah.
overriding over,
But
madam. Overriding
overriding over. Okay.
string class and object class is over.
Okay.
Okay. What is string class? Object class. String class means already we discussed. Just still I will show you now.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah.
String class. String class is nothing but it is a predefined class in Java. String class having some predefined functions. Using these functions, we can perform different operations only on strings. Now I'm
Okay.
taking one string. I'm taking one class str. And in the main method, I'm writing one string s equal to life is beautiful. String s1 equal to life is beautiful, but I gave space, extra space I gave. So string s2 equal to life is beautiful. So system dot out dot println s dot equals s1. So both are same. S and s1 both are same or not?
Yes.
No.
Oh God. First remove that, this one, the toolbar one,
Which one?
the message. There's a pop-up. You just click on that.
Which one, madam?
Let it go.
No, no, no. I'm not
No,
getting any
there is
pop-up
a
here.
settings bar. Oh, okay. There is a, it is actually covering all the code, whatever it is.
No, madam.
The
No, madam.
taskbar, this one. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, sorry, it is on my.
Yours pop-up, not my.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Now I am comparing the equals. I'm using one equals function. System dot out dot println s dot equals s1. Both are same. So it will give. Both are
Uh-huh.
same or not?
Yes.
No.
No.
So why? Because
Yeah.
Java will concentrate space also. Both are not same. S dot
Yeah,
equals
space
s1.
and
Both are not same. So it
okay.
will give false.
Mm-hmm.
Next, system dot out dot println s dot length. Length of the function.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the length of the
Yeah.
function? 17.
Okay.
17. So we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So length of the
Mm-hmm.
function is 17.
17.
And next, substring. I want part of the string. System dot out dot println s dot substring 4 comma 12. After 4, 12 also. After 4, 12
Okay.
also. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after. So space
Mm-hmm.
is view. These are the 12.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 also. After 4,
Mm-hmm.
12 also.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is view. Answer is view. Next,
View.
index start with 0. System dot out dot println s dot index of L. It is located in the first place. So L equal to
Okay.
0. L index is 0. Life index is also 0. Life index
0.
also 0. Why?
0.
Because it located in the first in the string in the first place. So it is 0.
Mm-hmm.
Next is it is located 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is 5. And
Yeah.
life is it is located in the string first place. It is also 0.
So 0.
Life
Mm-hmm.
is beautiful also 0.
Yes.
Next B. Count it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8.
B is
Mm-hmm.
8. And
8.
I'm writing s dot index of Akhil. There is no Akhil. So it will give -1.
Yeah. So it's -1. Yeah.
Z, it is not there. So
Z.
-1.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
the next replace. In the place of L, I'm writing W. So wife is bit
Yeah.
few.
That's you. Yeah.
Replace all. I'm taking string. In the place of is, I'm writing very. So life very beautiful.
Haha. Yeah.
S to uppercase. I'm changing to uppercase. S2 to
Mm-hmm.
lowercase. I'm changing to lowercase. Save. Click
Okay.
and run.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Right. This is the concept we learned. Already we learned. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Stop recording. Right. Start recording. Today concept is very important concept to detail Java. Today concept is detail Java.
Okay.
Detail Java. First concept variable. What do you mean by variable? Variable is nothing but it is a name. It is a name given to a
Mm-hmm. Specific
one
location
memory
or
location.
memory place.
It is a name given to your memory location which can
Memory.
hold a value. Which can hold a value. That value will be changed in future. That
Yes.
value will be changed in future. It is a name given to our memory location which can hold a value. That value will be changed in future. So for example,
Yes.
this is the memory location. I am giving one name A which can hold a value A equal to 10. It is a name given to our memory location which can hold a value. That value will be changed in future. How many times you want, that many times we can change the value. So that's why that is called variable. What is the
Yes.
advantages of variable? One is reusability, easy to update, easy to maintain.
Okay.
Variable syntax, data type, variable name equal to value. Simply we can write int a equal to 10 into a equal to 10. That is variable. Next constant, same definition. Next constant. What is constant? Constant is nothing but it is a name
Given to a memory that holds
given to
value
a one
and it
memory
doesn't
location,
change.
given to a one memory location which can hold a value.
And that the value won't change.
The value will not change. The value
Will not
won't change.
change.
So constant syntax, final, data type, constant name equal to value, final into a equal to 10. So whenever you are facing the interview also, that time they may ask you like what is the main difference between constant and variable. If it is having final data type, so final, if it is having final, that is constant. If it is not having final, that is variable. So if it is having
Okay.
into a is
Okay.
equal to 10, that is variable. Final into a
Yes.
is equal to 10, that is constant. That is the main difference between variable and constant.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Right. Next, variables. Next concept, variables. What is variables? There are two types of variables. One is local variables. Local variables means within the function only. Within the function only it will work.
Just now we did like the variable and constant, right?
Yes, these are the variables. Within the function only it will work. This type of variable is called
Variables.
local variables. Next,
Okay.
global variables. What are the global variables? Already we discussed public, public, default,
There are private and this one also, right?
private, and protected.
Private. Yeah. And then one protective. Yeah.
Protected.
Secure. Okay.
These are the global variables. If you write public, we can access in the entire project.
Okay.
If you write public, if you write public for any function, we can access that function in entire project. If it is
Private.
under default package, we can access in the package only. If it is under default package, we can access in only package only. That function we can access in package only.
Okay.
If you write private, that function we can access in class only.
Okay.
If you write protected, we can access in the class that particular package. We can access in that particular package as well as we can access from we can access from We can access from other class pack child class stuff. Other packs child.
Okay. Okay.
We can access in the package as well as other pack child classes also. We can access from that package as well as other pack child classes also. These are the variables. Next, conditional statements. Conditional statements. There are three conditional statements available in Java. One is if. Where exactly we will use if? If it is only single block.
Yeah.
If it is only single block, we will use if.
Okay.
Like example, if A is equal to 10, Akhil is a good boy. So only there is only one block. That time we will use if. If it is only single block, or if you want to execute only one block, that time we will use if condition.
Okay.
Next, if else. Among two blocks, if you want to execute
Only one.
only one block, we will use if else. Example, if A is equal to 10, Akhil is a good boy.
If A is less than 10, at least bad boy.
Else, Akhil is a bad boy.
Yeah.
So, among two blocks, if A is equal to 10, it will execute Akhil is a good boy. If A is not equal to 10, it will execute Akhil is a bad boy. So, that is if else.
Okay.
Next, switch case. Among many blocks, if we want execute selectively some blocks, we will use select case or switch case statement. Among many blocks, if you want to execute selectively some blocks, we will use switch case statements. Like, for example, we have many blocks. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. So, among many blocks, if you want to execute selectively some blocks, that time we will use switch case statement. These are the conditional statements in Java. We will use these three conditional statements. Next, looping statements. Where exactly we will use looping statements? If you want to execute a certain block of statements
Recurring
continuously
looping
or repeatedly,
continuously.
then we will
Yeah.
use looping statements.
Yeah.
If you want to execute a certain block of statements continuously or repeatedly, then we will use looping statements. There are three looping statements available in Java. One is for loop,
Okay.
second one is while loop, third one is do while loop. Where exactly we will use for loop? Very, very important. For loop. In
Yeah. For
our
this many
career,
times.
we will use many times. Where exactly we will use for loop, madam?
So this many times, whatever, if you want to declare. No?
You should tell
No?
confidently, madam. Whatever it is, right
Yeah,
or
for
wrong, but you should
100
tell
times.
very
Yeah.
confidently. But you are saying like this is right or not, this is right or not, just like you are saying. No, 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 no. That is not correct way. Whenever you are saying anything,
Okay.
if it is right or wrong, you should tell very confidently. Then other people, they will accept. Otherwise, you can't. If it is right answer also, they will not accept.
Uh,
Yeah, tell
so
me.
loop for 100 times, like from 0 to 100. So
Hmm.
that's how you declare.
Hmm.
So
Yes,
a
that is the
loop.
correct answer.
Yeah.
But you are saying not confidently, so that's not correct.
Um,
So, how many
so
fixed number of times? How many fixed number of times? So that
fixing
loop
numbers.
should be executed
Okay.
if you know that figure or number. How many fixed number of
Okay.
times
Okay.
that loop should be?
Mm-hmm.
That loop should be executed. If you know that figure or number,
Mm-hmm.
we will use for loop.
Mm-hmm.
For example, for int I equal to 0, I less than 100, I plus plus. If you know that figure 100 times, if
Mm.
you know that figure
Mm.
100 times, that time we will use for loop. How many fixed number of times so that loop should be execute? If you know that figure or number, that time we will use for loop. So perfectly, if you
For
know
loop.
this figure, then only we can use for loop.
Okay.
Next, while loop. As
Mm.
long as condition being satisfied, there is no restrictions like 10 times, 20 times, 100 times. So there is no
Okay.
restrictions. How many fixed number of times the loop should be executed? If you know that figure or number, that time we will use
Mm-hmm.
while loop. So this loop is
Okay.
called entry level condition. This loop is called entry level condition.
Okay.
This loop is called entry level condition. Entry level condition. This loop is called entry level condition. And do
Okay.
while. Just similar to while. Just similar to while.
Mm-hmm.
Just similar to while. Do while is just similar to while. First time without checking
Okay.
the condition, it will execute. Second time onwards, it will check the condition. First time without
Okay.
checking the condition, it will execute. Second time onwards, it will check the condition. That is
Okay.
do while. That is do while. First time
Do
without
it.
checking the
Okay.
condition, it will execute. Second time onwards, it will check the condition. That is called do while. This
Okay.
loop is called exit level condition. This loop is called exit level condition. This loop is called exit level condition.
Exit
This
level.
loop is called exit
Mm-hmm.
level condition. These are the looping statements. One
Okay.
second. Sorry. Somebody.
No problem.
I sir, I'm not keeping well. I will not able to attend today class. Please excuse. Okay. She's from Canada. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Next concept, arrays.
Oh my God. These are so dangerous.
What happened, madam?
No, I'm so scared of these arrays. I don't know why.
No,
Maybe
no, no,
they're
no, no,
so
no. It's very easy, madam. I will teach you very easy manner, madam. No need to worry. Each and
okay.
everything I will
Okay.
show you very easy. Array. It is a, what is array? It is very easy concept, madam. Array is nothing but it is
Okay.
a special type of variable.
Mm-hmm.
It is a special type of variable which can hold the
Mm-hmm.
multiple values. Array is nothing but it is a special type of variable which can hold the multiple values. If it is variable, we can store the single value. If it is array, we can store the multiple values. Okay. Array is
Mm-hmm.
nothing but it is a special type of variable which can hold the multiple values. If it is variable, we can
Okay.
store the single value. If it is array, we can store the multiple values. So that is array. It's
Okay.
very easy. So, only one thing. If you want to add anything to array, if you want to add anything to array, if you want to get anything from array, we will use index concept. We will use
Okay.
index concept.
Next concept. Okay.
Index. Just you should remember only one thing. Array index start with 0. You should
Okay.
remember only array index start with 0. 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 Why I am saying number of
Okay.
times, you can get it in future. Array index start with
Okay.
0. Array index start with 0. There are three types of arrays, madam. One is single dimension
Okay.
array. Second one is multi-dimensional array. Third one is object array.
Okay.
What is single dimensional array? Single dimensional array syntax. Data type, array name, data type, array name equal to value. Sorry, data type, array name equal to new data type, size of array, size. Simply we can write int a equal to new int size. We should mention like 5. That is single dimensional array. If it is multi-dimensional array, int a equal to new int 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 is rows, 3 is columns. Next,
Oh,
object
okay.
array. Object array is used for store the multiple data types.
Okay.
So we will use object array in Selenium number of times. What is object
Oh,
array?
okay.
Whenever writing object, we should be cap. Object a equal to new object. I'm giving size is 4. So a of 0 equal to Akhil. It is a string data type. Akhil is a string data type. A of 1 equal to 10. It is integer data type. A of 2 equal to 0.002. It is a decimal data type.
Okay.
A of 3
Alphanumeric.
equal to a single character.
Okay.
It is a character data type.
Okay.
It is a character data. Sorry. A. It is a character data type. If you want to store
Okay.
multi-data types, we will use object array. Object array is used for store the multi-data types. Object array is used for store the multi-data types. Right.
Okay.
This is the concept to arrays concept. This is the concept
So
to
it doesn't hold the alphanumeric ones?
yeah. No. We have only 4 data types in Java. One is string, second one is integer, third one is decimal, fourth one is character.
Oh, okay. Okay. So no alphanumeric.
Yes. So we can store the all multiple data types. Like we have in Java only 4 data types: integer, string, decimal, and character.
Okay.
Right. Next concept to today concept is very important concept. That concept name is exception handling. Only this concept purpose we learned this concept to exception handling. Exception handling. First of all, we should know what is exception. What is exception? While writing the Java code, there are some chances the code which we have written can't executed by Java.
It throws an exception.
Yes. While writing the Java code, there are some chances the code which we have written can't executed by Java. So such type of situation is known as exception. While writing the Java code, there are some chances the code which we have written can't executed by Java. So such type of situation is known as exception.
Exception.
There are two exceptions available in Java. One is caught exception. Other one is uncaught exception. One is caught exception. Other one is uncaught exception. Caught exception means while writing the Java code, if at all any missing like semicolon, bracket or anything, comma, full stop, if it is any missing, automatically it will show you underline. Automatically it will show
Okay.
you underline. So we can alert and we can rectify the problem. So that is called caught exception.
Yeah.
That is called caught exception. Next
Caught
one,
exception.
uncaught exception. While writing the Java code, if at all any missing, Java will not show you anything, Java will not say you anything. Simply it will sit to during execution it will not execute. That is called uncaught exception.
Okay.
That's the reason
Okay.
number of people they are caring about Java. So there is
Okay.
uncaught exceptions in Java. So if it is caught exceptions, at any cost we can go to Google and we can search. So why it is showing error? Is this right or wrong? We can check it and we can rectify the problem. It's very easy.
Okay.
If it is showing, we can call to friend. Just we can ask. I wrote one line. Why it is showing error? So he will tell some reason. So we can rectify the problem, and we can go to Google and we can search it. Why it is showing error? We wrote like this. Why it is showing error? We can find out solution. But if it is uncaught
Okay.
exception, so there is no solution for uncaught exceptions. So we need to find out. So uncaught exception means while writing the Java code, if at all any missing, Java will not say you, Java will not show you anything. Simply it will sit to during execution, it will not execute to the that is called uncaught exception. If we want to find out the uncaught exceptions, we will use try and catch and finally.
Okay.
We will use try, catch, finally. Where exactly we will use try? If it is, if you have doubt on any particular block of statements, if you have doubt on any particular block of statements, it's just better to keep in try block.
Okay.
What is that error we can get in catch block?
Okay.
What is that error we can get in catch block?
Catch.
Finally, at any cost it will execute. If it is try executing or not, catch executing or not, at any cost it will execute. What is that? Where exactly we will use try block? If you have doubt on only particular block of statements, just better to keep in try block. Next, what is that error we can get in catch block? Finally, at any cost, it will execute. If it is try executing or not, catch executing or not, it will execute. So,
Finally, it will execute.
sir, you said if you have doubt on only particular block of statements, it's just better to keep in try block. You are saying, sir, I have 100 blocks, sir. I have doubt on nearly 30 to 40 blocks, sir. What should I do? That's your question. So, if you have doubt on 30 to 40 blocks, that 30 to 40 times we should write try and we should write catch. So program
Oh
will
my
be
God.
lengthy.
Okay.
Program will be lengthy. So
Language.
instead of try and catch, always we will use throws.
Okay. Okay.
In entire Selenium and entire Java, we will use throws. What is
Throws. Okay.
throws?
It throws an
Throws is nothing
exception.
but it
Okay.
is a predefined class in Java. It can handle the thousands of exceptions at a time. It can handle the
Okay.
thousands of exceptions at a time.
Exception.
Okay, right.
Okay.
In this exception handling, we have 10 interview questions. First question, what is
Okay.
exception? While writing the Java code, there are some chances the code which we have written can't executed by Java. So such type of situation is known as exception. That is first question.
Exception.
Second question,
Okay.
how many exceptions available in Java? There are two exceptions. One is caught exception, other one is uncaught exception. What do you mean by caught exception? While writing the Java code, if at all any missing, Java will show you underline or into marker or error message. So that is called caught exception. What is uncaught exception? While writing the Java code, if at all any missing, Java will not show you anything. So that is called uncaught exception. During execution, it will not execute. So that is called uncaught exception. How to find out uncaught exceptions? One is we will use try and catch and finally. Where exactly we will
Yeah.
use try? If you have doubt on any particular block of statements, it's just better to keep in try block. What is catch? What is the error we can get in catch block? What is finally? If it is try executing or not, catch executing or not. So finally at any cost it will execute. Okay. What are the main drawbacks in try and catch? If you have only doubt on, if you have doubt on only particular block of statements, just we can keep in try and catch. If you have doubt on multiple blocks, that multiple times we should write catch, try and catch. So program will be
Try
lengthy.
and catch.
So what is throws? Throws is nothing but it is a predefined class in Java. So we can using this throws we can handle the thousands of exceptions at a time. That is the advantages of throws. In Java and
Okay.
Selenium entirely we will use throws only. Right.
Okay.
Today I will write the program now. Concentrate only Java logic we can get now. What is the logic of Java?
Okay.
Keep the mark public start quiet menu, click on finish. I'm writing SYSO control space. Good morning Java. And declaring one array. Int A equal to new int. I'm giving size is 5.
Okay.
A of 2 equal to 200. A of 5 equal to 1000 I'm giving.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm missing a semicolon. This is called cart exception. This is called cart exception.
Card exception. Okay.
Showing underline. So what is here? Something is missing. Comma. No. Full stop. No. Bracket.
Okay.
No. Curling bracket. No. What, Mr. Oh, semicolon. No.
Okay.
Semicolon. Okay.
Yeah.
Problem rectified. Okay.
This
This
is
is
card
cart exception.
exception.
In this line, we have one cart exception. What is that? Tell me, madam.
You have declared only int 5, right?
Hmm.
Not 2.
Hmm.
A of
5
2.
declared. So there is no need of we should write 5 values here.
Yeah.
What is that uncaught exception?
A of 2 is equal to 200 should not be there.
No, you can assign any value. So there is no restrictions.
Okay. Okay. I don't know.
Nah, you should tell.
Okay.
You should tell madam at any cost. Already we discussed.
Is it?
Yes, madam. Just today only we discussed. Number of times I said that line. Number of times. Number of times. That time you was laugh.
That index should, index should start with 0.
So,
Array index should start with 0.
so
So A of 0 should be assigned something.
array index will start with 0. I said, okay.
Uh-huh.
I gave size is 5.
Uh-huh.
Start with 0. So 0,
Uh-huh.
0, 1, 2,
2,
3,
3, 4, 5.
4.
4, okay.
Whenever I am writing 5, it need to show error, but it is not showing an error. So this is uncaught exception.
Oh, okay.
I declared size 5, madam. Array index
Yes.
start with 0, madam. 0, 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. The size is finished. So whenever I'm writing 5, it need to show error, but it is not showing an error. So that is called uncaught exception. So if it is uncaught exception, I have doubt on this line. So I'm keeping in try block.
Okay. Oh, okay.
What is that error we can get in catch block? E dot get message. What is that error? We can get in now in catch flag.
Okay. Okay.
What is that error? It is showing 5. What is 5? I don't know index concept. I'm totally new to this area. It is showing 5. Why it is
Okay.
showing 5? So if you want clear console, we can use e dot print track trace. Now run it. Save. Click on run. Now it will show you. Okay. Array Java long array index out of bound exception, right? Right. Actually, I gave size is 5. So it will start with
Mm.
0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, finished. So whenever I'm writing 5, it is showing error. Oh, okay, got it, I think. So if you want clear console, we will use e dot print stack trace. E is a exception
Okay.
reference.
Okay.
SYSO control space. By Java. Finally, at any cost, it will execute.
Oh, 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 okay.
Tata. Right. Now, if I run, save, first situation, logic you should tell madam, if I click run, it will execute good morning Java, 5, Java array index bound exception, and by Java, Tata it is coming, hello Java not coming. Why hello Java not coming? Whenever I'm executing, so it is
Because you
showing,
didn't still change, right? Still it is like A5 still there.
so what?
You are just trying there.
Madam,
It is in the try class or something.
so hello Java, why it is not printed?
Since it is having exception, it didn't throw it because it's in the try.
So what?
Ah,
Okay, I will tell you. Whenever the exception occur, directly it will come to catch flag. It will not execute remaining blocks. That is the logic.
oh, 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 okay, 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 okay.
If you have underlines, it will not execute.
Whenever you have exceptions there, like
Then
whenever
it
there
will
is
come to
any error or anything, it will.
directly come to catch flag. It will not execute remaining blocks. Okay, madam, got it. Point, madam. Madam, hello, madam, madam. Are you there? Hello, Brunda, madam, madam. Hello, are you hearing me? Hello, Gaud, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. Where is Madam Brunda Madam? So still I can continue. Whenever what happened? So you are not in mute mode. Just check your Madam. Suddenly what happened? Okay, whatever it is. Are you getting my desktop? Yes. So whenever the exception occur, directly it will come to catch block, madam. It will not execute remaining blocks, madam. That is one logic, madam. The next, for example, now I am writing 4. So there is no exception. Now save, click on run. Now it is printing the good morning Java, hello Java, Tata is coming, bye Java not coming. Why it is not coming, bye Java? Yes, there is no exception. It will not come to catch flag. So directly it will go to finally. So this is the concept, exception handling concept. It's very easy. So but you here is there is only 4 lines, but only logic is here going on. Okay, just you should get the logic. So Java is not very hard. So just why just whenever you are working with Java, if you know that logic, you can play with Java. Otherwise, Java can play with you. So it's very easy, madam. Just you should write the program once again. So just once again write the string class also. Just you can feel very easy, but just try to understand the concept. It will just you should concentrate on this exception handling concept. It is very important. So today I will not showing any throws example. Why? Because in future every day we can get number of throws. We can handle all the throws. Tomorrow we can get the throws. What is throws? How we can handle the throws? All exceptions we can discuss tomorrow. So this is the today session. Just practice it, madam. You can get it. Okay.